Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. So today I will show you how can you change your Instagram chat theme and chat color. So let's get started. So here first of all you have to update your Instagram, and I have already updated, so keep in mind that to update your Instagram app and open it, and then you can go for your messenger or message icons. So I will go here and you can see my messages for my friends, and I will select any of my friends, and if I get here, and you can see here the interface is white, so I want to change and the theme of this. So you can see here the icon shows here up here, just click here and you can see here theme, just go here and you can choose the theme. So I will choose here and you can see it has been changed. So in this way you can change it, and there is another features also. Even you can change the text colors and gradients. So I will keep it here candy, and if I write here anything, then you can see it has been changed the gradients and themes. So in this way you can change your themes and colors. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel to get more daily updates. I usually post one video per one day, so you can watch my video. So thank you so much for watching me. Thank you.